Hello, my name is Rudi Schneider. I'm product manager for M Performance parts in the BMW Group. Besides me, we see the new M2 Competition fully equipped with M Performance parts. And now I would like to take out some of the highlight parts. First, I would like to mention the carbon fiber parts. We have carbon fiber parts where we achieved really a great weight reduction, lightweight carbon fiber parts, and we have some optical parts. In the front we can see the new kidneys in carbon fiber, as well as the front splitter in carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber, high quality carbon fiber, handcrafted. And then the second category are the lightweight carbon fiber parts. First to mention, we have a new bonnet, fully in carbon fiber, with the power dome in high gloss, visible carbon fiber. This bonnet reduces the weight by 9 kilograms towards the serial bonnet. Then we have the carbon fiber roof. So we remove the existing serial roof and replace it by this carbon fiber roof. This carbon fiber roof is 6 kilograms lighter than the existing serial roof. Then if we come to the rear, in the rear we have 4 different options for the tailgate. What we can see here is the serial tailgate, where we have the rear spoiler, the streamed rear spoiler. We also have a second option and have a smaller carbon fiber rear spoiler. And then, of course, we have a tailgate also in carbon fiber, which is about 6 kilograms lighter than the standard tailgate. And together with this carbon fiber tailgate, we also can mount this streamed rear spoiler. Then, if you follow me to the rear, we see this rear diffuser as well in carbon fiber, which highlights the tailpipe finisher in carbon fiber. And this brings us to the exhaust system. And this exhaust system really brings a race sport sound to this car. We have an exhaust system with a titanium silencer, which is about 32% lighter than the standard exhaust system. That means we can save 8 kilograms in weight. And this really, with this driving mode button, if you be in the Sport Plus mode, is a very aggressive, a very sporty sound. But as well, if you push it to the efficient position, it can be well used during everyday use. Then this brings us to the side of the car. Here we have suspension, where we can enhance driving dynamics. With this suspension, we can lower the car by the maximum of 20 millimeters, and the compression and rebound can be adjusted. As well, what you can see here is the 19-inch forged light alloy wheel with this Y-spoke design. This wheel is available in 2 different colors. We can see it here in jet black matte, and it's also available in frozen gold in this car. So we have the motorsport stickers, which start in the front, over the side, going to the rear. I hope this gives you a good impression about the M Performance parts we can offer for this beautiful car. And as I said at the beginning, all of those parts can be retrofitted individually. It means it's no complete package coming from the factory, but can be retrofitted at the dealer site.